Yeah, so hello students. In the last lecture, we had proved the equations of different gates with help of SOP and these min terms just from given truth table. Now, one more concept, very important concept, is how you can convert this SOP into POS or POS into SOP. Now, here we are talking about standard form. Standard POS into standard SOP, standard SOP into standard POS, right? So very easy it is. So as we have seen in the last lecture, this SOP and POS written for same truth table are always logically equivalent. So we have proved their equivalence, right? So the very first step here is just replace or change your ANDing operation by OR operation or vice versa. AND is converted to or is converted to AND. First step. Second step is replace the uncomplemented variable by complemented variable and vice versa. So if you have A bar, replace it by A. If you have B, then replace it by B bar. Okay, let's try. So if I have equation y equal to, we'll try to convert SOP to POS, AB plus A bar B bar. Okay, so first thing is change your AND to OR. So here A, this is your AND, change to the OR. This is your OR, change to AND. Complemented variable by uncomplemented, right? So A becomes A bar, B becomes B bar, and this A becomes here A bar becomes A, this dot becomes plus, this B bar becomes B. Okay, I can take another equation, y equal to A bar B plus A B bar. So again this becomes A plus B bar, this dot A bar plus B, and that is what we have proved for XOR gate and XNOR gate. Now you can try to find out this equation using truth table. You will get either of this equation. Okay, so very easy it is. This is one method. Another method is simply SOP expression whole bar will give you POS expression, right? POS expression whole bar will give you SOP expression. So again we can go convert SOP. So this equal to AB plus A bar B bar. Now taking whole bar and using De Morgan's theorem. Right, so this becomes AB whole bar dot A bar B bar whole bar, right? So again using De Morgan's theorem, I have A bar plus B bar, this dot as it is, A double bar plus B double bar means A plus B. Okay, so again you can see this equation we have converted to this. So SOP to POS. Similarly, you can try for this POS expression, whole bar expression. You will get the SOP expression. Okay. So one more concept here is considering this XOR gate. We have 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The output here is 0 1 1 0, right? Considering SOP, this expression is y equal to summation of 0 1 2 3, summation of 1 comma 2, right? This is in the SOP form. Now without looking at this truth table, I can find the variables or the numbers for POS. Now since it is two input variable, I have 0 to 3. Out of this 0 to 3, we can see 1 and 2 are taken by SOP. So the other number left corresponds to POS. So I can write y equal to pi m 0 3. These both are equivalent. We have seen that. Okay. So if I have like 3 input variable, 3 input, then it is 0 to 7, right? So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and my SOP expression is y equal to summation of small m, say 0, 2, 5, 7. Okay, this. So I have taken 0, 2, 5, 7. The remaining these numbers now directly corresponds to POS. So it is 1, 3, 4, 6. This is also one equivalence of SOP and POS, right? So this is another important concept. Now in the next lecture we will go for some more interesting concepts, that is K-map. Now we have tried to reduce or minimize the given expression using Boolean algebras. So using Boolean algebra is one method. Another method is K-map method. So in the next lecture we will now go for that K-map method. Okay. So till then, have a nice time. Thank you.